you're visiting Austin, Franklin BBQ is a must-do. Unlike other restaurants though, you're gonna need a game plan for this one. What time are we getting up tomorrow?
So I guess before 7.
To arrive before 7?
What's another hour?
I think we should get up at 6:30, leave here at 6:45, and be there at 7.
Okay.
Okay. Well, we woke up at 6:30 this morning just to be here by 7:15, and we're far from the first ones in line here. Luckily, can come to. We brought a cooler. Pro tip, don't bring your own chairs. They have chairs here for the first probably like 40 people. So we're gonna just sit here, and actually Allison's got to work today. And just gonna sit here and work in line and watch basically 3.5 hours go by.
Really not a big deal. This is kind of what we do anyways, is sit outside on tailgate chairs, so it's a little bit like camping. And we're excited to get some barbecue, because now I haven't had breakfast and I'm just really hungry. Minutes away from Franklin's BBQ. We've waited in line for a few hours, and let's go check out the line for everyone who's gonna wait all day. 5:50, right? 5:50, yo! The best I've ever had. It's just like rude. Like obviously it's the best I've ever had. It's probably the best that people who like fine barbecue have ever had.
This was definitely worth the wait. I would say the wait adds to the taste. It makes it better. So the entire order, that used to be a full sausage. There's 3/4 pound of brisket. We had 1.5 pounds of ribs and 1/4 pound of pork. That's it. No room left for bread. We're throwing in the towel. This is going home with us. And then for Lila and Morty, we got you guys 1.5 pounds of brisket and 1 pound of ribs. You're gonna be happy girls.
So what we have is a 5,000 gallon repurposed propane tanks. We've got 88 briskets on today. This is for tomorrow's lunch, so we have a 25-hour cook cycle. We start at 10 a.m. the day before, so everything we started now will be served for lunch tomorrow.
Wow, to wrap up Franklin's though, we already said some of this, but what a great experience. The people there were so nice, and there were line managers coming around making sure that everyone was doing okay, and said, hey, you know, we've got restrooms inside, come on in. And there was a whole business that had been established of this coffee stand down the way that has created like, you know, a whole business just selling coffee to people in line. So just good on them. It could have been like, no, we're not open until 11, you have to wait, but they totally embraced everyone there, and they just kept thanking everyone for showing up. So good on Franklin's. Awesome day. And this is post Franklin's. The meat hangover. Tell us about that meat.
Pepper had it too. She's exhausted. Oh.
She's tired from waiting in line.
There's the one thing that they could improve. If they had hammocks hanging outside that you can just fling yourself into afterwards.